वेलकम टू आवर चैनल फ्रेंड्स। आज हम लाए हैं एक बहुत ही प्यारी और इमोशनल स्टोरी। एक ऐसी स्टोरी जिसे हर बिगिनर इंग्लिश लर्नर कनेक्ट करेगा। ये कहानी है छोटी सी आन्या की, जो डर से लड़कर अपने लाइफ के पहले स्मॉल स्टेप्स लेती है। इस वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखिए बिकॉज एवरी सीन हैज सिंपल इंग्लिश, इमोशंस एंड अ लाइफ लेसन। सो लेट्स बिगिन। द लिटिल स्टेप्स ऑफ आन्या। Anya was a shy 10-year-old girl who loved watching the sky from her small window. Every morning she whispered the same wish, "I wish I could be brave today." She wanted to talk to people, make friends, and answer in class, but fear always held her back. One warm morning, the sunlight touched her face, and she felt something new. It was a small feeling, a feeling that said, "Try once." She smiled softly and decided to take her first little step. On her way to school, Anya walked slowly, holding her bag tightly. The street was peaceful, with children laughing in the distance. She felt scared, but remembered her morning promise. When she reached the school gate, she took a deep breath. "One small step," she whispered. She tried to smile at a girl standing nearby. The girl smiled back. That one smile made Anya's heart feel a little lighter, like a small flower opening inside her. In the classroom, the teacher asked a simple question. Anya knew the answer, but her hands felt cold and her heart beat fast. She looked around. Everyone seemed confident. She closed her eyes for a second and remembered the sunlight from the morning. Slowly, she raised her hand, even though it was shaking. The teacher smiled warmly and said, "Yes, Anya." Anya answered in a soft voice. When the teacher said correct, her eyes filled with happy tears. During lunch, Anya sat alone like every day, but today felt different. The same girl who smiled at the gate came and sat beside her. "Hi, I'm Ria," she said. Anya felt nervous, but replied, "Hi." They talked about their favorite games, colors, and dreams. For the first time, Anya laughed freely. She realized that sometimes kindness is all someone needs to feel brave. Anya went home with a big smile. She told her mother everything, her raised hand, the teacher's praise, and her new friend. Her mother hugged her tightly and said, "I'm proud of you. These small steps will one day make you very strong." That night, Anya wrote in her diary, "Today I was brave, even if it was a small step." She felt proud of herself. The next morning, Anya again stood near her window, but this time her wish was different. She whispered, "I will keep trying." She felt stronger, happier, and hopeful. She knew she would still feel scared sometimes, but now she believed in her small steps. And with every step, she would grow a little braver, a little brighter.
Thank you so much for watching, friends. अगर आन्या की स्टोरी ने आपको थोड़ा भी इंस्पायर किया हो, तो वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करें और ऐसे ही इमोशनल इंग्लिश स्टोरी सीखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. Remember, every small step makes you stronger. See you in the next video. Bye.